Hello, my name is Marsha. I'm the Gourmet Food and Produce Manager at Ashcombe Farm and Greenhouse. Today we're going to talk about easy summer entertainment with some of the products that we carry here in our store. Today we are making a strawberry lemonade using two of the products that we carry in the store. The first product that we have, it's a front porch lemonade mix made from, that's Country Home Creations. So you just put your mix and dissolves it in the water. Everything's in it that you need it, the sugar, the sweetener, everything is in there. The product that I'm using to make the strawberry lemonade is from Tate's Farm, which is the Central Pennsylvania company. It is called Fruit Shrub. Today we're going to use the strawberry basil, but it comes in a variety of flavors. And this is, you can make a variety of mocktails or cocktails with this. Today we're just doing the mocktail, but there's different recipes available at the store to make an adult version. So you don't always have to have the kid version. So I'm adding then into my lemonade mix, this is the strawberry basil shrub. And again, it is just a fruit concentrate. So I'm just adding that into that. And you just can garnish it with some nice lemon slices, some fresh strawberries. And we have some mint, just to give it that extra little pop. And you have your beverage for your get-together. We carry a variety of dips in our store. We have some pre-made dips, cream cheese dips. This particular product is made from John F. Martin. This is a strawberry cream cheese dip. If you want something sweet, they pair very well with a vanilla wafer cookie or a pretzel stick. This particular product, we have a variety of savory. This one is the bacon horseradish. Again, great, just open a package of crackers and you're ready to go to your party. We sell a variety of crackers and pretzels here. Dip mixes, sweet things and also savory. Wind and willow. I have this for seasonal. It's a crab dip blend. So if you're looking for something a little more unique and different, they're usually made with cream cheese, mayonnaise, or sour cream, depending whether they're sweet or whether they're savory. You make them the day before just so the flavors all blend in well, but you're easy to go. This is a product that we carry. It's made from savory crackers. It is a mix that you take it home and make it yourself the night before. These are very easy to mix. I sell 2-gallon Ziploc bags because you need that. You add 1 2/3 cup oil and then 4 sleeves of saltine crackers. Mix it all up, let it sit overnight. If you keep these in an airtight container, they will last for up to 2 weeks. This particular variety is the classic, but we also sell a garden dill, sweet barbecue, and there's a cinnamon and sugar if you like a little sweeter. We have a variety of salsas from a Stonewall Kitchen and also Ashcombe brand. You can just put them in a bowl. We carry the late July chips. You can be very simple and just open a bowl of salsa and chips. Or if you wanted to do something a little bit more, like my family loves a basic layer dip. I put a layer of cream cheese, a layer of sliced olives, a layer of my favorite salsa, and top it with shredded cheddar cheese. Put it in the microwave for 10 minutes till it's melted. You're ready to go. We carry a variety of barbecue sauce and cooking sauces in our store. They're simple, easy to make. I made just from frozen meatballs. You can purchase at the grocery store. Stuck them in the crock pot. This particular variety is the bourbon barbecue sauce, Ashcombe brand. You can be a little more creative. You can use it on chicken, pork, beef, whatever you want. This particular product, it's from Stonewall Kitchen, called Maple Chipotle Grill Sauce. My neighbor introduced me to this recipe that's on the bottle for Southwest baked beans. You put a variety of beans, canola beans, red kidney beans, pinto beans, and put it in the oven and bake it with this chipotle grill sauce, and it's delicious. And we carry a variety of marinades and cooking sauces. This product is from Village Eating House. This is a Central Pennsylvania product. These can be used as a salad dressing, a marinade, for chicken, pork, beef, seafood. I particularly used the sweet and sour Italian. I marinated a chicken breast overnight and grilled it. Locks in that nice juice, nice tender flavor, but it can work for any type of meat that you want. An easy side that you can have for your entertaining is we have a variety of pickling products here. This particular one is baby dill pickles. This is Annie's Kitchen red beets. They are made out of Lancaster, PA. And this is the Shawnee Cannery Ashcombe label for the bread and butter pickles. Easy garnish, easy condiment to add as a side for your get-together. You can finish any day of entertaining with dessert. We carry Windy Knoll ice cream. It is a small family-run creamery in Chambersburg. They are small batched, churned, so that is very creamy. Today, I'm using the vanilla ice cream, but we have a whole variety of different things. So we're just gonna make a nice dessert. I chose today, we carry different dessert sauces from Stonewall Kitchen. Today I have chosen the dark chocolate caramel sauce. Drizzle your chocolate over top of your ice cream. And I'm gonna top mine today with strawberries because that's our fruit that's in season, but you can use any type of fruit. Blueberries, raspberries, whatever's in season, and you have a wonderful, delicious dessert. For recipes using these products and more, visit ashcombe.com. Happy summer entertaining.